I'm Lynda Meyer, owner of Lynda's Antique Clothing Loft at 41 Park Street in Adams, Massachusetts. The Loft is a collection of clothing and artifacts and jewelry that spans about 10 decades. It's put together in a way that people can relate to individual garments, clothes that they can identify themselves with. The range of design is historical and at the same time extremely contemporary because designers are always copying fashions. A wall of prom dresses in the 1950s, blouses from mid-19th century. There's also a hat from the 1920s and a hat from the 1850s. Lingerie from the 1930s and 40s, all living together. World of Edwardian handmade lace dresses and wedding dresses, lingerie and petticoats. And most of these pieces are 100 years old and more, but they're just so wonderfully made and sustained that the beauty of the work is totally intact. This dress is actually a wedding gown. It is all lace. It's from 1914. Notice the waistline because corsets were still worn at that time. And it's just immaculate. The strength of materials from the early part of the 20th century are just amazing. And it's amazing how beautifully they were kept. A wardrobe of children from the late 19th century to mid 20th century. Clothing from the 1950s to the 1990s. A bias cut silk satin form. Versace 1920s piano shawls, they were called. It's a purple velvet, wide-brimmed hat with ostrich feathers. The pictures reflect the range of taste and views of the clothing in the store.